In the world of gardening, size doesn't matter. Small spaces can be just as enchanting and inviting as expansive backyards. Whether you have a petite grassy area, a compact patio, or even a balcony, there are numerous small garden ideas that can turn your outdoor haven into a personalized retreat. In this video, we'll explore creative ways to maximize your small garden, providing inspiration for those seeking to infuse charm and functionality into their limited outdoor space. Personalizing your compact oasis. Begin by envisioning how you want to use your small garden. Consider it an extension of your home, a unique room with its own personality. Ask yourself questions like, is it a spot for your morning coffee or an evening retreat after a long day? Are you dreaming of cultivating herbs or strawberries? Do you crave the beauty of blooming flowers or whimsical patio decorations? Identifying your priorities will guide the transformation of your small garden into a space that resonates with your personal style and preferences. Creative design elements. Window boxes for zero-space gardens. Even if you have no ground to spare, window boxes provide an ideal solution for cultivating plants and adding a touch of greenery. Explore the myriad of possibilities for flowers, herbs, or even small vegetables that can thrive in these elevated garden beds. Dual-purpose potting benches. Opt for potting benches that multitask as both plant-growing stations and stylish cocktail bars during social gatherings. This functional and space-saving furniture adds a touch of versatility to your garden, making it perfect for both work and play. Upcycled decor magic. Embrace sustainability by repurposing household items like mason jars for charming backyard lighting. Transforming everyday objects into garden accessories not only adds character, but also reduces waste, showcasing your eco-friendly flair. Making the most of limited resources. Vertical gardening. Take advantage of vertical space by introducing hanging planters or wall-mounted shelves. This innovative approach not only maximizes planting opportunities but also adds visual interest, turning your small garden into a captivating vertical oasis. Compact furniture for cozy retreats. Choose furniture wisely to make the most of your limited space. Opt for foldable or stackable options that can be easily stored when not in use, allowing you to create a cozy retreat without overwhelming the area. Color palette harmony. Embrace a cohesive color palette to visually expand your small garden. Opt for lighter shades that create an illusion of space, and strategically place pops of vibrant colors to add excitement and personality. No matter the size of your outdoor space, these small garden ideas offer a range of creative solutions to transform it into a unique and inviting haven. From practical furniture choices to imaginative upcycling, there are endless possibilities for making the most of your compact garden. Embrace the challenge, let your creativity flourish, and turn your small garden into a personal retreat that reflects your style and brings joy to your everyday life. Embracing inventiveness in petite spaces. Creative solutions beyond limits. Small gardens challenge us to think outside the traditional gardening box. From vertical displays to compact furniture, discover inventive ideas that turn limitations into opportunities for style and functionality. Style flourishing in limited spaces. Contrary to common belief, small gardens provide a canvas for serious style and beauty. Learn how careful design choices and strategic plant placements can transform your petite plot into a stunning visual retreat. Welcome advantages of small gardens. Low maintenance delight. One major advantage of small gardens is their inherent low-maintenance nature. Explore how the compact size allows for easier upkeep, giving you more time to enjoy your outdoor space rather than tending to it. Intimate atmosphere. Discover the charm of creating an intimate atmosphere in your small garden. From cozy seating arrangements to personalized decor, learn how to curate a space that feels like a secret haven, tucked away just for you. Expert insights and garden knowledge. Leveraging team expertise. Our team of gardening enthusiasts has pooled their knowledge to bring you practical tips and tricks for maximizing your small garden. Benefit from their experience to enhance the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. Consulting garden experts. We've reached out to gardening experts to gather insights and expert advice on making the most of petite gardens. From plant selections to design principles, uncover the wisdom that can elevate your small garden to new heights. In this video, we're dispelling the notion that small garden ideas are limited, showcasing how a dash of creativity can turn constraints into opportunities for style and beauty. I hope you like these ideas. Thank you for watching my video.